Well, it's a wonderful 60 degrees here in Kentucky. We're going to do a little maintenance on the S650 today, and we'll take y'all along for the ride. Okay, one thing you can see, my weather stripping around this window, it gets beat and banged and busted around and everything from doing land clearing and different things of that nature. So this little seal will come undone and it leaks, and when it rains, it'll rain as much on the inside of the machine as it does the outside. So we're going to take some 3M black super weather strip and gasket adhesive, stage 2. Stuff's pretty good. I've used it once before and it lasted about 3 years, and I'm going to put a bead of that right along this top edge, and that'll keep us dry. Now, I did gently clean and blow that out a little bit with an air hose, not much, but this stuff's so sticky it ain't gonna matter. It'll stay in there anyway. Does an extremely good job sealing this up. And this should help keep the rain, snow when it melts, all the good stuff. If you'll notice, I come around the corner there just a little bit. I like to do that on both sides. And then if you see any spot that looks a little low, go ahead and add you just a touch back into it. It'll hold in there and do exactly what you want it to do. Now, it ain't pretty, but it's a fix. Now, that's done. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is check the oil in this thing, which the dipstick is right here. And we'll see what we got there. Pull it out, clean it off, stick it back in. We're just a touch low, and since we're laying back kind of on a slight incline, it might not hurt to have just a touch put in it. Okay, we don't have a whole lot of this. One downfall I have with this thing is that the fill nozzle on the oil is at such an angle, it's hard to put oil in this thing. So we're gonna get a little oil in it, check it out, see what happens. Hopefully we don't spill too much out of here. You have to be very careful with this because it will overflow and shoot out the back. And then you get all this stuff oily, which is how it got that way. Now, it's lifting. It'll take it a minute to get in there, but yeah, it's rising up now. Yeah. Yep, it's doing good now. We put maybe, I don't know, half quart, something like that in it. Now, got that checked. Now, on to the hydraulic. Okay, we're going to attempt to show you the hydraulic system where you add fluid to it. This is the back of the machine. This is the cover panel over the radiator. First thing we do, slide this thing off. Now, it looks like we got some sticks and stuff in there we'll have to get off the top of the radiator. Now, once that's off, you got a little panel here to the side. That gets removed. I'll set that right down here. And then that right there is the reservoir for the hydraulic fluid. Now, we'll take that off, check it. It's definitely low. Here's my sight glass. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's very low down in here, so we definitely need to add some, and we'll show you how to do that. Okay, sometimes this cap is hard to get off. I don't know if it vapor locks, I just put it on too tight, German torque it or what, but every now and then, a little trick, you can take a screwdriver, sit in there and gently pull, and that'll release. Get our twigs off here, not killing the radiator. Now, this does have a screen in it, as you can see. We are going to stick this straight in, because this is a huge bottle of hydraulic fluid. This is going to take all day. I think we're good. Check our sight level. Sight level says we're good. So we'll put the screen back in. Put our cap back on. Now, all we have to do is reinstall our plates and our covers, and as soon as we catch a night that it's not going to freeze, I need to clean out these radiators, because you can see they are dirty, 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 and I need to get those cleaned out. Keep this thing running good. One other thing that's super important to check: air filter, top left hand corner. This one's probably a little dusty. Let's see. Yeah, she's just, well, not as bad as I thought. Of course, it's been raining a lot here, so we're going to take the air hose and we'll blow it out a little bit. Alright, there we go. Now, stick this thing back in there. Make sure it's seated nice and proper. And put the cover back on. Easy peasy. Alright. Once we get a little bit warmer weather, I need to take this thing, clean it up, get all the debris and stuff out of it. It's been a wet, nasty winter. So bad that I can't even push snow, but it's rained and made it a torrential nightmare. All right, y'all, this is done for the day. This is the machine, Bobcat S650. She's got, I think she's got about 2,800 airs on it or so. But she's done well, treated me good. I can't complain. Good Lord willing, if I get blessed like I was last year, and with plenty of work again, and really good clients, wheeled machine's going to become a track machine, and we won't have to worry so much about the wet ground as much as we do now, because it has been a nasty, nasty winter. So until next time, it's James with Blanton Enterprises. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks.